In problem number 1 of this activity, I had to do the quotient rule, which separated, which to get the derivatives in order to do the quotient rule first. I used the exponential rule on this, and it remained the same, and the power rule, it changed into 2x. The quotient rule consists of the v times the derivative of u minus v derivative times u over v squared, and that's what I did. And then simplified, multiplied both of these terms, distributive property minus, again, by these terms. Here we have the product rule in problem number 2. To get the derivative of the first term, I used the exponential rule. And to get the derivative of the second term, I used both the exponential to get the derivative of the u of the parentheses and chain rule because it is a large exponent. And product rule consists of v derivative times u plus u times v derivative. And simplified it like this. And problem number 3 is another product rule, but it's more complicated since it has a logarithm and you also have to use chain rule. And it's like this. First step, you do the logarithmic and the chain, sort of together. Then simplifying. And in here I use logarithmic properties to separate this division into a subtraction. Then again, logarithmic properties, I put the exponents in the coefficient, got the derivatives of both terms by logarithmic rule, which is the derivative over the full term, multiplied and simplified. Here it looks.